Is Hearth Garden Store really the ultimate destination for luxury garden furniture at unbeatable prices, or is it just another clever scam dressed up in glossy marketing? At first glance, the website hearthgardenstore.com seems like a dream come true for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor space. Their Spring 25 sale promises huge discounts. They claim to deliver directly from manufacturers to save you money, and the product photos look like something out of a premium lifestyle magazine. But when you start peeling back the layers, things don't add up, and they raise serious doubts. Despite boldly stating that their business has been around since 1999, a quick domain check reveals that the website was only registered in May 2025. That's a massive contradiction and a classic sign of a site trying to manufacture trust. The About Us page is vague, lacking any real company information, physical address, or team background, which is often a tactic used by scam sites to avoid accountability. The store uses psychological tricks like banners, saying under receivership, and flashing sold-out alerts to pressure you into making a rushed decision, another red flag. On top of that, their customer service email isn't even from their own domain, which is extremely unprofessional and suspicious for any legitimate business. While the site is filled with glowing reviews, there's not a single verified review on Trustpilot or any major third-party platform. And oddly, they have no social media presence whatsoever, not even a basic Facebook page. All of these issues combine to paint a very unreliable picture. So while Hearth Garden Store might look like a great deal on the surface, the inconsistencies and lack of transparency suggest that shoppers should proceed with extreme caution. It's not just about the deals. Your trust, time, and money are on the line.